Declan Nelson, coach of Christiana High School.
Oh, Christiana. My apologies. Christiana, coach, what do you think about your team performance today? You guys put in a wonderful performance today. What do you think about it?
I thought that the boys did well. I thought that we dominated in certain sections of the game and we should have capitalized. But such is the nature of the game, we just have to live with it.
Why do you think this results mean? You guys think you still have a strong chance of getting something in next game?
We always believe that we can achieve something. We are fighters. Our boys are fighters, and they won't give up until the end.
Yeah, as I said, I saw a bit of dominance in patches. Do you wish your team gonna have hold on to those dominance a little bit longer, even capitalize on those moments?
Well, the game is such that we just have to take our chance when we get them. And if we don't, things like this happen.
The last minute goal, man, he was gutted, right?
Kind of heart-wrenching.
Yeah, what do you think it's going to take now for you to lift up the players because of that?
As I said, our boys don't give up,
Yeah.
No matter the circumstance. They're always fighting. They're always fighting, and we just keep doing that.
How proud are you of the team performance today?
Very proud. Very, very proud. Never mind the loss, because as I said before, such is the nature of the game, but I'm very proud of them.
Yeah, while watching the game, based off the fans, they were saying that the number 6 have been the more dominant player, but today, the number 7, the tall center playing in the midfield, he had a tremendous game. What do you think about his performance?
I think he stepped up to the plate. We have asked him all season to be, because he's the most senior player, we have asked him to step up, and today he did, and I can't fault him for anything that he did today.
Yeah, if I was a coach and I seen him for the first time, I'm like, man, this guy is good. Well done, coach, and see you guys for the next game, right?
Yeah, man, thanks. No problem.
All right.